How to change your MOT appointment. If you've booked your MOT appointment and you want to change it, you can do this quickly and easily online. Log on to www.nidirect.gov.uk and search for Change My MOT. Click on Change, cancel or view your MOT vehicle test appointment online. This screen will appear. Scroll down to the green bar that says Change, Cancel or View your MOT vehicle test appointment online and click it. You will need your vehicle booking reference and vehicle registration number. Your existing booking confirmation will appear. Click Change Appointment. Choose a test centre and date from the drop-down list. New dates and times become available each day. Next, choose a time that works best for you. You will be sent a confirmation email when your booking is finished. You can change your MOT appointment multiple times if you need to. There are no additional charges for doing this.